If you want to add social links to your Roblox profile, you can do that through your account settings on the website. First, log into your Roblox account on a web browser by going to roblox.com. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon, Gear, in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu in the Settings menu. Make sure you're on the Account Info tab. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find a section called Social Networks. Here, you can paste the full URLs of your social media profiles like YouTube, Twitch, Discord, Facebook, or even Guilded. For each social media profile, just copy the full URL and paste it into the corresponding field, such as the YouTube or Twitch box. Then, make sure to set the visibility to everyone so others can see your links. Once you've added everything, click the Save button to apply your changes. Keep in mind that you must be over 13 years old to use this feature, and it works best on the web, not always in the app. After saving, your social links will be visible on your profile for others to check out.